Does anyone here know the reason why this cave here became so famous? No? Because me and Papa work here. No, I'm joking, guys. The reason why this cave here became famous was because Microsoft, the Windows company, used the photo of this cave as a screensaver. Bill Gates made this cave famous.
Oh, that's nice.
Now guys, again, round one, I can take some pictures of group by group.